What to do when your Mac doesn't start up. Method 1. Boot your Mac in safe mode. Turn on your Mac and hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Release Shift when you see the login screen. You should see Safe Boot written in the upper right corner. Enter your password and log in. Then restart your computer. Method 2. Reset the system management controller. If you're using a MacBook, then disconnect all peripherals from the computer except for the power cord. Press Shift, Control, Option and Power keys on your keyboard at the same time and hold for 10 seconds, then release all keys at the same time and turn on your Mac. If you're using an iMac, then unplug the power cord. Wait for 15 seconds and plug it back in. Wait for 5 more seconds and turn on your iMac. Method 3. Reset non-volatile random access memory. Turn off your Mac. Hold down Command, Option, P and R keys on your keyboard and turn on your Mac. Release the keys when you hear the second startup sound. Method 4. Run disk utility in recovery mode. Turn off your Mac. Simultaneously hold down the Command and R keys on your keyboard and turn on your Mac. Hold down the keys until you see the Apple logo. In the Mac OS utility window, click on Disk Utility. Select your Mac's drive. Usually it's named Macintosh HD. Click on First Aid and then click on Run. If Disk Utility will ask if you want to repair your disk's errors, click on Repair Disk. If you see that the first aid process has failed, continue to the next step. Method 5. Reinstall Mac OS. Turn off your Mac. Simultaneously hold down the Command and R keys on your keyboard and turn on your Mac. Hold down the keys until you see the Apple logo. In the Mac OS utility window, click on Reinstall Mac OS. Follow the installation steps. Thank you for watching.